Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. I hope you are well by the grace of Allah. Today I will showing you about Derpfest, and the ROM is ported by Aosp. So I hope you understand that something will be specially waiting for us. So let's see. Now at first we have to see what the changes here. Here non-root builds, it is passed by default, June security patch updated and added device pairs, fixed vibration by default, added Aosp, haxx, and for smoothness, added terminal profiles, optimized systems, Misc Improvements. So let's see one by one step. You see the network and internet options here, everything is fine, internet, calls, SMS, SIMs, everything is work finally, hotspot tethering, everything is work smoothly and fine. Okay, so don't worry about anything. If you see the connected device here, SBC and AAC is working fine, so don't worry about Bluetooth. Okay, here if you see the dark space here, everything is fine. So let's see one by one step. Okay, if you see the dark space, if you see the battery options here, battery style is circle. If you see the style is circle. Okay, now see the circle dotted, you see style is changes. Okay, now see the circle filled. If you see here style is changed. My camera is blurry, okay, that's why not showing perfectly. Just skip. See the big circle, just circle is big, you see already, you see that. Now see the big circle dotted here. You will here everything is changes by your wish. Okay, so don't worry about anything. I'm selected the circle. Now see the battery percentage. If you want to inside the icon, now see battery percentage inside the icon. Okay, you see already. Now see the next to the icon, that means the percentage is showing by circle offset. Okay, now see the toggle colorful battery icon. If you see, click on off, here battery circle is not colorful. Wait, I will showing you by reboot system UI. Just wait. Yes, you see that. Now you see that battery circle style was changed like that. You see is white. If you want to battery a colorful icon, then you have to reboot system, I mean system UI. Now yes, you see that it's working fine. Again you see it's colorful. Now see the battery bar location here will be fine. You see that battery bar here. If you turn it off, if you wish, then turn off. Okay, so don't worry. If you see the carrier level, I will write in here Allah Almighty both. Okay, wait, I will see the lock screen, status bar. Status bar is not showing, but lock screen is working fine. But I will show you. You see that Allah Almighty is working fine. Here is fine. Clock and data, if you want, then clock and data is turned on by your wish. You see that everything is fine. My mobile display is some broken, that's why it's not showing perfectly, but don't worry, everything is work. If you see the status bar here, everything is fine. You see those options you will be showing here. Okay, if you see the traffic, network traffic options here, everything is fine. You see that it's working finely. You see already is working fine. Okay, now see the miscellaneous Derpfest logo. If you want, Derpfest logo is already working, but my display is broken, that's why it's not showing here. Colored icons, everything is work. 4G icon, everything working fine, so don't worry. Now see the next options is notification. Here everything is fine. If you want, then byway on connect is on, byway on call waiting then on, byway to disconnect is on. Okay, now see the quick settings here, those options here, everything is working fine. Battery estimated is, if you want, then turn on in your wish, is be working fine. Now see the lock screen shortcut, lock screen UI, and disable ripple effect. That means when you turn on your device is not showing any effect, then again show you see that a effect will be shown. It's called the ripple effect. Okay, it's working fine. Hide by developer, everything is fine working, so don't worry about anything. Here if you see the always on display, here everything is fine, it's already. Now see the system customizations. If you want, then use black themes by here. Wait, you see that black. If you want, then use this style themes. If you see, everything is working fine. My touch is not working perfectly, that's why you see that like that. Now is showing like beautifully. Okay, heading, body, front, icon pack, everything is work fine. Okay, if you want, then customize yourself. Navigation bars, general setting, those options here. You will be got unlimited Google Photos options here. Okay, if you turn on, then you will be found unlimited Google Stories. Okay, so don't worry, everything is work, already tested. Now see the notifications here, everything fine. If you see the battery, if I talk to this room battery here, everything fine, and if you will be got best battery backup here. Okay, so don't worry about battery, you'll be get best battery backup here. Okay, if you see the storage, if you see the sounds here, everything is fine, and here everything is working finely like that. Vibration will be working fine. Okay, you see that, you see vibration is working fine. Okay, so don't worry. If you see the Derpfest tones, skin locking sounds, everything is fine. Okay, just leave it. But if you see screenshot sound, power app, volume control, everything is fine. Okay, and everything is working fine. If you see the display, adaptive brightness is working fine. Wait, I'm showing you. If you see the adaptive brightness, you see that adaptive brightness is working fine. Live display, log skin, everything is working fine. If you see the dark theme options, it will be working fine. You see already. Okay, you see everything is working fine. It's too much white, that's why everything is black and white. Okay, if you see the colors option, boosted, saturated, everything is working fine. Adaptive, show refresh rate. If you see the click options here, you see that 60, auto red skin, everything is work, so leave it. Then show the wallpaper and style. If you see everything here themed icons will be got. If you turn off these options, you will find that option is changes, you see already. If you turn on again, you see that themed icons is applied here. Okay, now see the accessibility, everything fine. Security, if you see the security here, everything is fine. Face and finger, everything is fine. So let's try. You see that it's too much speedy. You see that it's too much speedy. Okay, so don't worry. If you here you find auto reboot, device admit options, but the ROM is not encrypted. Okay, that means it's an easy to use. If you see the privacy, locations, everything is working fine. Google systems, if you see the gesture and keywords, this turn case, system navigations, here those options will be fine to you. You see that everything here is working fine. If you feel length is long, if you want, then its thickness, peel radius is thickness. Okay, just as a wish, what you have to want. Okay, so leave it. Quick tap, swipe to screenshot, double tap to check phone. Now check it's working or not. You see that it's working fine. Okay, so don't worry. Quick open camera, everything is fine. Okay, so don't worry about anything. If you see the developer options, Xiaomi pairs, MI sound enhancer, display color calibration, FPS overall is working fine, but my display is broken, that's why it's not showing perfectly. If you turn on, you see that options here, but our display is broken, that's why it's not showing perfectly. Just leave it. Clear speaker is not working here already. You see, if you click the clear speaker, you see that it's broken. That means it's not working here. Okay, but leave it, it not needed our. Okay, I hope already everything I will showing you. So see the Android versions. If you see that Android version Perfomance 12Fs, if you see the changelog, if you click on it, it's be closed. I hope you see that. Wow, it's working, it's not closed. You see here the changelog. Okay, if you see the kernel version is minimal. Yes, it's one of the best kernel, so don't worry about anything. Okay, it working finely. If you see the radio info here, if you want then change by yourself, but I hope it's not needed any other person. I hope everything will be fine. Now see the onto the benchmark score. Wow, 1,57,319 is a quite good score. You see already. CPU performance 66,005 is quite good. GPU performance 25,632 is be quite. Everything is fine. I hope it's quite good score. And this ROM is not overclocked, but performance is too good. If you want to see the CPU jet, then you will be find 1.80 GHz. That means the ROM is not overclocked. Okay, you will see already. Now check our ROM is supported F2Fs or not. If you see our ROM is supported or not, you see that cache F2Fs, data F2Fs. That means our ROM is supported F2Fs. If you don't know how to flash with F2Fs any ROM, then go to video descriptions. Will be give a link there. Okay, then you will find this everything. Now see APK, that means Magisk here, everything is fine. I'll flash already 25.1. it's a quite good latest versions. You'll find every options here. See that AP options you'll be find. Okay, you'll see already. Then leave. Now we'll see the camera already. Gcam, many brothers say that Gcam is working or not, just showing you. Now see that Gcam's XML. If you don't know how to install Gcam or Gcam config, if you don't have, then comment our video. I will be give the comment link. Okay, you see that camera is working fine. You see that camera is working fine. You see that it's working finely. Camera is working fine, so don't worry. If you see the video options here already work 30 fps, 60 fps, everything is working fine. You see already. You see everything is working fine. Now see the video. You see that everything is. You see that everything is working fine. I hope you will be sure everything is working fine. Now check the advanced. Many members say that brother here YouTube pants is not working like that dash. So see the YouTube pants is working or not. You see that YouTube pants is already working here. You will be sure everything. Okay, see that YouTube pants is working fine, so don't worry about anything. Now see the apples. You see already apples is working finally. Okay, now see that our ROM is certified or not, device is certified or not. See that Play Store. You see that device is certified. By default CTS is certified and device is certified, so don't worry about anything. If you try to install Magisk, then you will be fine, device is not certified. But if you don't know how to install Magisk, then certified this device. If you don't know that, then go to video descriptions. I will give a link there. Okay, then see this video. I hope I'll be showing you everything. Now see the volume panel options. You see that volume panel options like that. and status bar options you see, and many more tools here you see already. Wi-Fi, mobile data, hotspot, many more tools here you see already. If you want, then just tap it, then it will be add here automatically, you see already. So I hope I will showing you everything. Don't worry, this ROM is too much speedy and smoothness. If you want to use for daily, then you will flash this ROM. Just close your eyes. Okay, this ROM is too much perfectly working fine. I'm using this ROM like that 4 or 5 days, and I will feel this better smoothness in this ROM. Okay, so don't worry about anything. I hope I will showing you everything. If I can't do that, then please forget everything and forgive me about this matter. So see you in the next video. Take care about yourself, and bye bye.